After I updated to Windows 10, the search box on the taskbar was working. After a few days, I discovered that I couldn't search for anything from this box. If you are also troubled by this issue, here is how to fix the Windows 10 search bar, the not working problem. Open File Explorer and navigate to the following location. C. Windows, System, as showing in the screen. Inside the directory, search for ctfmon.exe as showing in the screen. Right-click on ctfmon.exe and click Open. Close the File Explorer. Type anything in the search bar and check for any improvements. If the issue occurs again after every reboot, you may need to create a task that will run the ctfmon.exe file automatically after the restart. In this step, we will use the PowerShell command. Right-click on Start. Click on the Windows PowerShell Admin option. In the PowerShell window, type the following command as showing on the screen and press Enter to execute the command. You will find all the command used in this video in the description below. After the command is executed, close the PowerShell window. Press the Windows key and try to search for any keyword in the search bar. If the issue persists, try the following PowerShell command. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Click on File and select Run New Task. Type PowerShell and click OK. In the PowerShell window, type the following command and press Enter. You will find all the command used in this video in the description below. Once the command is executed, close the PowerShell window. Type anything in the Windows 10 search bar and check if the issue is resolved. If not, reboot the computer and check again. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe.